Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use toaster oven. Okay guys, so this is the toaster oven right here. I'm going to be plugging it. Yeah, the reason I'm plugging this because whenever I use it, I unplug it. So because I have a baby in my home, every time I use electronics, especially kitchen material, I usually unplug it. When I'm ready to use it, I plug it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use toaster oven, okay? So what am I going to be using my toaster oven today? I got a chicken nugget right here. This chicken nugget is from Kaiki. It's Kaiki chicken nugget. It's frozen. Yeah, so when I put in the microwave, it's not going to give me the taste and flavor I want. So I'm going to be putting it in the toaster oven today to make it look crispy, okay? So this is the bag right here. I'm putting this bag away. Yeah. And then I got my oven right here. What I'm going to be doing is to put this. And this chicken came with a sauce though. Yeah, it came with sauce. This is the sauce right here. With the sauce, I'm just going to put in the hot water to just make it warm if I want to use it. Yep. So, and the chicken is still frozen. Yeah, but I'm still going to put in the oven though. So, what we have here is the oven right here. So, with this oven right here, you can toast, you bake. This toaster can toast, bake, board, roast, make cookies, yeah, make pizza, and the rest of the stuff. Guys, if I tell you something you guys don't believe it, I usually bake my bread in this oven. Yeah, I bake my bread in this oven and it come out good though. So I'm gonna be putting this chicken right inside here. This oven is not a new oven though. That's my co-worker gave me this oven. Shout out to Uncle Jesse and his family. Yes, so I'm just gonna be putting my chicken nugget into this oven one at a time. Yeah, just like that. Guys, I actually forgot to defrost this. It's been in my freezer for some time, but it's okay though. I'm still gonna heat it up. So after putting this right here, I'm gonna be putting it in like this and close the oven. And then I come right here to start. You're gonna start right here. And then I'm gonna be choosing toast. I'm using toast right here. So it's a toast, and I'm also gonna be reducing the temperature because 325 just to toast this little chicken nugget is just too much for me. So I'm just gonna be like, if you want to reduce this temperature, just come down to the last button right here, and then just keep reducing it. I'm reducing it to 250. Okay. So I'm using 250 degree to toast this chicken nugget. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the result of how it look like, guys. This is the best way to eat your chicken nugget. If you taste this, guys, you won't regret about toasting your chicken nugget. So stay tuned and wait for the result. So it's been a while. Let me check in the oven and see how my chicken nugget look like. So by the look of things, I think it's ready. What I'm gonna do, I will not wait for all this minute because it's ready. I'm just gonna be canceling this right here. I cancel it right here. So after canceling it, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this charger right here. Yes, the reason I unplug this because I got a baby in my home. Yes, I always tell you guys. So whenever I use electronics in my kitchen, I unplug it. So let's see how it look like. So this is how I make my chicken nugget, guys. When you taste this, it's gonna be so crispy, and this is how I love to eat my chicken nugget. I think you can hear the sound. Oh my god, it tastes good. So come back to watch more of this video. If you're just joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think you can hear the sound, very crispy. Yeah. This is how it look like. When you put it in the oven, you don't really need to. You can hear it, right? So crispy. So I'm going to be eating this chicken nugget with a sauce. Yeah, so Thank you so much, guys. Love you. It tastes good.